Good morning guys, it's day 3 of our ride to Chail, and it's the day when we ride back to Delhi. There is the Chail Palace. That's the back view really. The sun has come up, although it's -3 right now, and you can see that there is a sufficient amount of wind blowing that makes it even more cold. I have a little bit of a cold and cough, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little coarse, but yeah, that is the view early in the morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We want to reach Delhi before nightfall, which seems impossible right now, but anyhow, we'll see, and I'll keep you updated as the day progresses. So this is our last breakfast at Chail Palace, at least this season. I don't know whether we'll be coming back again or not this season at least. But there is Dada having his breakfast.
Pretty cold actually. Pretty cold. Right?
Yes, it's out -3 outside, but it's pretty warm inside, right?
Yeah, this place is heated, so it's manageable. You can work here.
Yes, absolutely. So this is our breakfast, sunny side up, or at least that's what we ordered, and 2 bread slices. And we'll have this breakfast and leave for Delhi. Yes, absolutely. Hi guys, we have left Chail about 10 minutes back, and we stopped by at a nice peaceful sort of a location, and there is a bike, that is the KTM, and that is Kenda. So we will take pretty long to reach Delhi. At least I think we'll reach well after sunset, but now that we are late, रुकते रुकाते चलते हैं, क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है. But nevertheless, there is the view of the entire place where I am stopped right now. So let's move ahead and see what we have in store. So आपको मैं किसी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग इंसान से मिलवाता हूँ. ये हमको अंकल जी मिले हैं यहाँ पे. अंकल जी धूप की तरफ घूम जाइए, शक्ल आ जाएगी हमारी. आपका नाम क्या अंकल जी?
मेरा नाम प्रकाश है.
प्रकाश जी हैं, एंड आप गेस कर सकते हैं प्रकाश जी कितनी उम्र के. प्रकाश जी लगते नहीं 40 साल से एक भी दिन ऊपर के, बट ये हैं कितने के अंकल जी?
हाँ जी, मैं 63
के है ये. आप विश्वास नहीं कर सकते हो, 63 की उम्र है इनकी और लगते हमसे यंग है. अंकल जी मजा आ गया आपसे मिलके. We stopped for lunch. It's 12:30 and this guy served us brilliant lunch. Thank you भैया. और ये है केंदा. छोटे से ढाबे पे रुके हैं हम लोग. काफ़ी अच्छा खाना था यहाँ का. और अभी हम कहीं भी नहीं पहुँचे. हम लोग सोलन क्रॉस किया.
बढ़िया जगह है सोलन का.
सोलन क्रॉस किया. बहुत खराब रास्ते हैं.
इतना खराब हो गया सोलन ना, क्या बताऊँ. I mean I've been coming here for now 20 years, maybe more, but सोलन बहुत खराब हो गया.
रास्ते तो बहुत ही खराब हो गए हैं, और बाइक के लिए तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं है. बट फिर भी ज़बरदस्ती है, आना था.
पीठ टांगे सब कुछ टूट रही है.
पीठ टांगे और बाकी जो भी चीज़ें हैं सब टूट गई हैं. बाकी अभी हम आगे की तरफ बढ़ेंगे, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिल्ली अभी बहुत दूर है, तो अभी चलते रहना है.
दिल्ली दूरस्थ.
So this is the last break before the mad dash to Delhi. We've ridden like continuously for I don't know how many kilometers. Delhi is about what, 30 kilometers?
We have entered Delhi. 10 kilometers.
Entered Delhi. So
the border.
We just filled up fuel on the bikes, on the Triumph and the KTM as well. And we are just finishing up the shoot. A couple of bites are left. We'll do that and then we'll rush home. We are a little tired. I am a little hungry, maybe. I don't know why.
Bobby Roy is hungry.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm
But,
also getting hungry. I'm right. Shall we have dinner?
We can, Dada.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because I think you won't have dinner at home. I won't have dinner at home either.
Yes, we can have dinner somewhere. I don't know where.
Yeah.
ठीक है, चलो. I'll just wrap up this vlog right now because the next bite might just be when I'm home. I'm not yet sure because if I'm tired, I'll sleep. If I'm not, I'll vlog. But thank you for watching these 3 episodes. And
Subscribe.
yes, subscribe, like, and do the regular stuff. And everybody can da. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. And that's the time. Street 66675. Cheers.
765.
765.
Yep.
Yes, I am sleepy maybe. Chalo, bye bye. Good night.